T-Mobile has been implementing widespread forced plan migrations, moving customers from older plans to newer, often more expensive options. Understanding what this means and knowing your rights as a consumer is crucial for protecting yourself from unwanted changes. Forced plan migrations occur when carriers like T-Mobile unilaterally move customers from their current service plans to new plans, typically without explicit customer consent. This practice has become increasingly common as carriers consolidate services and modernize their offerings. T-Mobile has been particularly aggressive with migrations following their Sprint merger completion. Legacy Sprint customers and those on older T-Mobile plans like T-Mobile One have been primary targets for these forced migrations, often receiving notices of plan changes with minimal advance warning. The good news is that you have significant legal protections against unwanted plan changes. The material change doctrine is your primary defense. When carriers make material changes to your service agreement, including price increases, you have the right to cancel without penalty. When you receive a migration notice from T-Mobile, immediate action is crucial. First, document everything. Take screenshots of the notice, record your current plan details and pricing, and note the effective date of changes. Then analyze the changes by comparing old versus new plan features and calculating total cost differences. Remember, forced plan migrations are a common practice, but you have legal protections. The key is understanding your rights under the material change doctrine and acting quickly when you receive a migration notice. Documentation and analysis are your first steps toward protecting yourself from unwanted plan changes. When facing a forced plan migration from T-Mobile, you have two main options: attempting to opt out of the migration or exercising your right to cancel your service entirely. Option 1 is attempting to opt out of the migration and keep your current plan. Option 2 is canceling your service entirely due to material adverse changes to your agreement. For option 1, the opt-out process, start by calling T-Mobile customer service. You can dial 611 from your T-Mobile phone or call 1-800-937-8997 from any phone. Clearly state that you do not consent to the plan migration and want to keep your current plan. Be direct and specific about your refusal to accept the changes. Ask to speak with the retention department or customer loyalty team. These departments have more authority to make exceptions and may be more willing to accommodate your request. Important note: the success rate for opt-outs is only 15 to 25%. Always request written confirmation of any opt-out agreement you receive. Option 2 is canceling your service due to material adverse changes. This approach has a much higher success rate of 65 to 80% when executed properly. Use these specific key phrases when calling. Say material adverse change. I do not accept these changes to my service agreement, and I am exercising my right to cancel without penalty. Follow these steps. Call within the 30-day notice period. Reference the specific changes, like price increases or feature removals, and demand a waiver of all early termination fees. If your initial attempts are unsuccessful, follow this escalation path. Start with Tier 1 support, then ask for the retention department, then a supervisor, and finally, executive customer relations. You can contact the executive response team directly at executive.response@tmobile.com. This team has the highest authority to resolve customer issues. As a last resort, you can file regulatory complaints. File an FCC complaint at consumercomplaints.fcc.gov for federal oversight of telecommunications practices. You can also file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau for additional pressure on T-Mobile to resolve your issue fairly. Additionally, file a complaint with your state's Public Utilities Commission, as they regulate telecommunications services at the state level and can provide another avenue for resolution.